Hello, fellow space enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, I'm going to share with you 6 fascinating curiosities about the universe that will blow your mind. So, sit tight and let's get started. First up, did you know that black holes are actually pretty messy eaters? Yup, that's right. When a black hole devours matter, it doesn't just neatly consume it like a polite dinner guest. Instead, the matter gets all tangled up in the black hole's gravitational field and forms what's known as an accretion disk, which is basically a swirling disk of hot gas and dust that orbits around the black hole. Think of it like a cosmic blender, but way messier. But wait, there's more! Black holes are also notorious for their insatiable appetite. They'll eat anything and everything that gets too close, from stars to planets to entire galaxies. In fact, some scientists believe that there might be supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of almost every galaxy in the universe, just waiting for their next cosmic meal. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what about the whole black part of black holes? Don't they suck up all the light around them and create a black void? Well, yes and no. It's true that the gravity of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape it, which is why it appears black. But remember that messy eater thing we talked about earlier? The accretion disk around a black hole can actually get so hot and bright that it outshines entire galaxies, creating what's called a quasar. So, while the black hole itself might be invisible, its feeding frenzy can be quite the light show. And finally, let's talk about spaghettification. Yes, you read that right. Spaghettification is what happens when an object gets too close to a black hole and is stretched out into long, thin strands like a plate of spaghetti. It's a gruesome fate, to be sure, but also kind of hilarious if you think about it. Just imagine a star or planet getting stretched out like a piece of overcooked pasta. It's like something straight out of a cosmic horror movie. 2. The biggest star in the universe, UY Scuti. Have you ever wondered what the biggest star in the universe is? UY Scuti is a massive star, located in the constellation Scutum, that's estimated to be over 1,700 times larger than our own Sun. Can you even imagine that? It's so big that if it were placed in the center of our solar system, it would extend all the way out to the orbit of Jupiter. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, it gets even crazier. UY Scuti is also one of the brightest stars in the night sky, despite being located over 9,000 light-years away from Earth. And if that's not enough to impress you, consider this: if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you over 9,000 years to reach UY Scuti. So, if you're ever feeling small and insignificant, just remember that there are stars out there that are so big, they make our own Sun look like a tiny speck in the universe. And UY Scuti is definitely one of them. It's a true marvel of nature and a reminder of how awe-inspiring the cosmos can be. 3. The Great Attractor, the universe's mysterious force. The Great Attractor is a mysterious force in the universe that scientists have been studying for decades. We're talking about the Great Attractor, and no, we're not talking about your ex that you can't seem to get over. We're talking about the mysterious gravitational anomaly located in the direction of the Centaurus constellation. The Great Attractor is a region of space that's pulling galaxies towards it with a force that's 100,000 times stronger than the Milky Way's gravitational pull. That's right, it's like the universe's very own black hole party, and everyone's invited. But don't worry, you don't have to pack your bags just yet. The Great Attractor is located about 200 million light-years away from us, which is a pretty long commute. So, it's not exactly something we need to worry about anytime soon. But here's the kicker: nobody really knows what the Great Attractor is or what's causing this massive gravitational pull. Some scientists believe it's a cluster of galaxies, while others think it could be something completely different, like a massive black hole. It's like the universe's very own whodunit mystery. Regardless of what it is, the Great Attractor is just another reminder of how vast and mysterious our universe is. There's still so much we don't know, and that's what makes exploring the cosmos so exciting. 4. The WOW signal. Alien communication or interstellar fluke? The WOW signal was detected in 1977 by an astronomer named Jerry R. Emmon while he was scanning the skies for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. He noticed a strong signal that lasted for 72 seconds and was unlike anything he had ever seen before. He even circled the signal on the computer printout and wrote "WOW" next to it, hence the name. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The signal was never detected again, despite numerous attempts to find it. It's like it was a one-time message from aliens saying, "Hey there, we exist," and then they went radio silent. Now, of course, there are skeptics who believe the WOW signal could have been caused by human interference or some other natural phenomenon. But the fact that it was never detected again is still a mystery that keeps us all on the edge of our seats. So, what do you think? Was it a message from ET or just a fluke of nature? Either way, the WOW signal is a reminder that we're not alone in this universe, and there's still so much we have yet to discover. 5. The Goldilocks zone, the perfect place for life. We're not talking about the perfect temperature for your morning coffee. We're talking about the region around a star where conditions are just right for life to exist, also known as the habitable zone. The Goldilocks zone is like the cosmic real estate jackpot. It's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, which is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. It's like the universe's version of a cozy little cottage that's just waiting for some alien life to move in. But here's the thing, just because a planet is in the habitable zone doesn't mean it's automatically going to be teeming with life. There are a lot of other factors at play, like the planet's atmosphere and the presence of other elements that are essential for life. Still, the Goldilocks zone is a crucial piece of the puzzle when it comes to finding potentially habitable planets beyond our solar system. It gives us a starting point for where to look and narrows down the list of possibilities. So, if you're ever feeling like life on Earth is getting a little stale, just remember that there could be a whole universe of potential life out there, just waiting for us to discover it. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find a planet that's just right for us to call home. 6. Dark matter, the mysterious substance we can't see. Dark matter is the stuff that makes up a whopping 85% of the matter in the universe. But here's the catch, we can't actually see it. That's right, it's invisible to telescopes and other instruments that detect light. So, what is dark matter made of? We're not exactly sure. The best theory we have is that it's made up of particles that don't interact with light, hence the invisibility. It's like trying to catch a ghost, but instead of throwing a sheet over it, we're trying to detect it with science. Now, you might be thinking, okay cool, so dark matter exists, but why should I care? Well, it turns out that dark matter is actually pretty important for the structure of the universe. It's what holds galaxies together and prevents them from flying apart. Without it, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. But here's the real kicker, we still don't know all that much about dark matter. It's one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics, and scientists are still trying to figure out what it is and how it works. So, if you're ever feeling like life on Earth is a little mundane, just remember that there's a whole universe of invisible, mysterious matter out there just waiting to be discovered. Who knows, maybe you'll be the one to crack the code of dark matter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a video. See you in the next one.